What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of this video, I just wanted to go over the top ETF that I'm currently watching heading into the third week of April in 2018. So today is Sunday. The futures markets just opened at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. Here where I am right now. And I was looking very closely at the natural gas ETFs and the oil-based ETFs very closely due to this recent attack that we had on Syria. If you guys have been paying attention to the news, we saw that Trump sent missiles to Syria Friday night, I believe, or at least it was Friday night where I am on the East Coast, and people were very anxious to see how the market was going to respond to this particular attack and see how, their ETFs were going to respond and their positions in the stock market. So this is something that I was keeping an eye on very closely, and I didn't want to make this video until I was able to see, how the futures markets are looking. We're looking at this particular natural gas commodity right now because we're looking at DGAS in particular for this particular upcoming week. So for those of you guys that are new to inverse ETFs, that's what pretty much I trade on this particular channel. DGAS and UGAS are two inverse ETFs, both trading on the commodity of natural gas. So how these particular ETFs move really just deals with this particular price of natural gas. So whenever natural gas goes up in price, DGAS goes down in price. And whenever natural gas goes up in price, UGAS goes up in price. So now that natural gas is at this key resistance level that it has topped off at and reversed from a couple of times, if we look at this particular chart. Let's say we go back to the 20-day chart, we can see this particular pattern better. Okay, so we can see that it topped off at $2.80, that we saw it fell all the way down to $2.57, and then this new level of $2.76 acted as a resistance level here. It bounced off there, and it went down to $2.65 again, and now it's testing the same resistance level of $2.76, where it topped off before, and it formed that downtrend pattern from there. So this is what we're looking at very closely for DGAS, because like I said, if natural gas, bounces here and reverses, DGAS is going to end up being a nice little play for this upcoming week in April of 2018. So this is what we're looking at very closely for, with natural gas and DGAS, which is the bear ETF, by the way. So that makes sense, right? It's a bear ETF. So whenever the commodity itself goes down, the bear ETF is going to go up in price. So if we go back to DGAS really quickly, we see that it's at $27.52 right now. And if we go back to the 20-day chart, let's go to the 1-day, 1-minute chart so we can see how DGAS itself played on Friday. We see that, actually, let's go to the 5-day chart so we can see it a little bit better. So if we look here, guys, we see that it topped off at $31 here, and then it fell all the way down to $27, which is the new support level, like I said before, because natural gas is at a resistance level, which means DGAS, which is the inverse ETF, should be at a new support level, and that's where it's testing right now with that new support level at $27. And if we look at it even closer here, guys, we can see that DGAS has been playing this particular $27 to $31 price range for the past month at this point. So we see that it was at $28.50 here, shot up to $31, went back down to $27.50, back up to $30, went back down again to $27.50, and went back up to $30. So this price action, the way that this ETF is moving is kind of predictable based off of this particular commodity, natural gas, that we're trading right now. And this is what we want to keep a very close eye on for this upcoming week. Based off of Friday's market action, we see that it did consolidate at $27.50. And I actually did take a little position on this particular bear ETF for this upcoming week because I do see potential in it. Even though all these crazy things are happening right now in the world, I do still see potential in this particular ETF right now, and this is why I wanted to cover it briefly in this particular video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure to go leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram in my description box down below as well. This is where I post all my profits, so if you guys are interested in actually seeing how much I make in the stock market, make sure to go give me a follow because I post on my story every single day showing you guys my profits when I release new videos, any updates on my life. So that's where you want to go if you want to follow me on another platform outside of Instagram. And let's make some money today, guys. Have a great week trading. Hope you guys all have good luck this week. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.